In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your MacBook to an external monitor using this UNI cable. It is HDMI to USB-C. The best cable I've found, and the link will be in the description below. You first want to plug the USB-C into your MacBook. Then you want to put the HDMI input into the back of your external display. Then turn on your external display, and this will then mirror your MacBook. So if we bring up, in this case, a Safari window, you'll be able to drag to the left onto the external display, and it'll be used as a second monitor. And as you can see, I'm having to drag Safari to the right of the screen to get it onto the second display. This can feel a bit weird when the monitor is above your Mac. So what you want to do is you want to X out of Safari, and you want to come up to the little Apple logo and come down to System Preferences and then over to Display. Under Display Settings, you'll see your two monitors. This is the LG Ultra Wide, which is the external monitor, and you want to drag it to the top like this. Now when we bring up Safari, so now you've changed the windows around. Whenever you bring any program up, you drag it to the top of the MacBook. This will take it to the external screen. And obviously drag it to the bottom of the external screen to put it back onto the main MacBook. If you want to connect the MacBook and close the lid without it turning off, then you want to check out this video here, where I'll show you how to do that. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button below, and thank you for watching.